Hi, it's Cameron here from Capital Machinery with a portable plate beveling machine. Ideal for large plate beveling applications. These machines are available in several different sizes depending on your plate thickness and beveling application. This model is the Rapid Edge 18G. Here's where you set and adjust the beveling angle. You can adjust the clamp for the material thickness, run the cutter in forwards or reverse, start the cutter, and there's an emergency stop button. Here is where you adjust the width of the bevel. To set up the machine, first adjust the cutter's cutting depth. Back off the plate clamp, adjust the bevel width required, then adjust the clamp back down to the width of your material so it's clamped firmly. Then you can select the cutter direction and start the cutter, then pass the plate through the machine. You can order online or contact us for more information.